I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've been overindulging on the egg boil recipe, and you can't tell me that there's no crab legs in there. I'm gonna show you guys how I make this. It is so good. It is a really healthy and high protein snack or dinner to have, depending on how many scrimps or eggs you use, and it's super easy to make, so let go. All right, so I already cleaned and deveined my shrimp and boiled my eggs for time's sake. I don't know about y'all, but I like my eggs boiled real hard, so I boiled them for like 12, 13 minutes sometimes. I don't want nothing alive on the inside of that thing. And then I just have some wild caught shrimp. This is about 100 calories of shrimp, and it's also like 24 grams of protein, I think. So first, I'm gonna slice my eggs into little slivers. We're gonna bring our beautiful little shrimp over to the pot and get it stored in. Okay, so we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of the Kerrygold garlic butter. So it's getting a little flagrant and you don't wanna burn the butter, so make sure you bring that down. So of course, we're gonna go in with some Obey. I know we use the ancestors to measure the seasoning. Y'all know what to do. We're gonna have some paprika, crushed red pepper. Oh. Use this Goya, Adobo. This is dashed garlic and herb. Our fresh ingredient. This is optional, but I do like a little bit of texture, and this is going to, you're not even gonna taste this honestly, but it'll give me the same crunch that the garlic would. It's just a little. The black pepper, and my favorite Truff Sea salt. And we're gonna give her a little whirl and turn the heat up a little bit. Did you guys know that relish was pickles? I know some people just realize that pickles are cucumbers. I'm not making fun of y'all. All right, taste test. I'm also gonna put in 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth. And again, because I like my eggs really hard, I'm gonna just put those in first. Put all the leftover yolk in there. And I'm gonna add my shrimp, which I did add a little bit of Sazon to on the other side of the pot. And that's it. And you're just basically gonna wait for these shrimp to turn into the letter C, and that's how you know they're done. Meanwhile, I'm about to clean this up. Okay, she's looking done. I'm gonna turn the pot off. The last thing you wanna do is just sprinkle the juice of a lime, not the whole lime, just a little sprinkle on top. The acid is really gonna do something. And then if it's not enough Obey, I usually add it here. I just don't like too much. So I like to just kinda work my way up. But let's play this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I can't even like wait to eat this. And there we have it, friends. It is unfair how good this smells, how good it looks. I mean, guys, everything. Look at that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is like the best thing since sliced bread. Perfect girl dinner. You craving a crab boil? This gonna be it. About to watch Love is Blind, child. I just feel it in my spirit that AD gonna say yes. I'm so annoyed with her. We gonna see though. All right, y'all. Bye.